So I just did a plant snap on this thing to try and tell me what it is, and I think it's coffee. I found a coffee tree, which you can eat the berries. So I'm gonna try it. First time eating a coffee berry. Inside is the coffee beans. That's quite a tasty berry. And that's a coffee bean. Wow, that's quite tasty. The berry does not taste anything like a cup of coffee. And from each berry, you get 2 coffee beans. My hands are stained from the mulberry stuff. That is quite tasty, coffee berries. Quite a pleasant taste. Not super sweet, but not a bit sweet. So cool. Coffee for the first time.